But I'm not scared like someone.
Still filming?
What is it? Yeah. We like basically have bun cha so many times here because it's really good, guys. It's called Tom Kim Bun Cha. So nice here.
It is.
But one thing about here is like
One thing.
when you come in, it is really smelly hair. Because I just put moisturizer in my hair. I'm not allowed to wash my hair for 2 days now.
You get Bun Cha hair.
I need to cover it like this. So it's Bun Cha. Bun Cha style, everyone.
Bun Cha Ninja.
À chị.
It's a local spot. Bun Cha Hanoi.
And even the daughter of the owner, they know us and they go alarm for her mom. This week.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's so good. You have to check out the menu.
What's this here? From here.
So this is the one I always get. This one, because you get different types of meat. That beer. And this one's like normal one, just with normal barbecue pork. Or grilled pork, pretty. Then this one has like, well, it's not boiled like that, is it? It's pork. It's pork and leaf, and then there's a couple of sausages. I can't remember what they're called. Something cheese. It's really good. And then you can still get extras. Like if you don't feel like you got enough meat, you can just get extra like burgers, pork burgers, and flat pork. Extra bun if you want.
They have some cơm tấm. Good, right?
Yeah, we haven't tried any of this yet.
You have to check it. Okay, if it's according to the right thing, you have to do this.
What's this one? Lap pie. Like sweet
Chinese
sausage.
Yeah.
Suong đường. And you got this, yeah, it's basically all like, oh, there's a whole load of,
Yep,
I love that sausage.
I don't think they have it now because it depends on the customer they have.
Yeah, so if you're in Da Nang and you actually want to eat some good Vietnamese food, it's Hanoi style, but it's still really good. Then well, it's on Nguyen Van Linh Street, down a little alleyway. You probably saw where we came. So definitely go and check it out. Tonkin, yeah. We're just testing the camera out and then it turned into a vlog.
Yes, why not?
Mine's turned into a nun.
It's not smelly.
But yeah, it's good. And it's not that pricey, even though I get the special every time, 70k. You can get 45k Bun Cha, which is pretty reasonable. Pretty normal. I'm just gonna drink it. I'm gonna drink it with my mask on then. $2020 problems then. We got the Bun Cha. You get it first to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's tough. It's pretty hard to do with one hand. Can you scrape in some chili and garlic? Kumquat. I get some more meat and stuff with it. Try like the dak beer.
Đặc biệt have like
Oh
spring
yeah.
roll,
And the tiny like crab spring roll. Something che.
chả cốm. I know in English.
Sausage.
The green rice, smelling nice. They make it become
Green
sausage.
rice, smelly nice. that's good. I'm going to eat. And this is very difficult to do on one hand, so see you in a bit.